ensure that everything that the prosecution will rely on.
Thutha wa kurutururwo ofici-ini yake mieri iri mihituku na igoti, Gavana Ferdinand Waititu hamwe na mutumia wake marokire igoti-ini ria Milimani guku mucii munene wa Nairobi kuria cikaro cia gubanga ciira wao ciuma ciambiririe. Ciira uria umagumiire ni wa ungumania wa ciringi milioni 588 mwena wa thitango wihaririirie na ira 69 na maratathi maria ni ma wira ni makiria ya 100 ria 70.
All these are inventories. Yeah, no.
Is there any documents that you prepared?
Yes.
With the numbering of all the items that have been served?
We have served each lot, so we have a document for each service.
He needs to get his facts right, because as by yesterday we were still being called to go and collect additional documents. We went to ACCC, we were told that those documents we can only get them today.
Because we must ensure that everything that the prosecution will rely on is received by the defense first before we finish with the pre-trial.
Mwena wa thitango ugite ona gutwika ni mandikithie riboti cia wira matire mararikia guthuthuria aira acio na nikio mahoyete igoti mongererwo ihinda ria ciumia igiri.
Because if all the documents have not been served or supplied, then it means that we will not be ready for the pre-trial.
Oho Mutumia wa Waititu Susan Ndung'u na ekwirwo angi atatu ni mahoyete igoti rimetikirie gucokerio mbeca iria marutite igoti-ini na handu hacio maheane taito cia migunda arita murugamiriri. Mutumia Waititu arekereirio na bodi ya ciringi milioni 4 mbeca baribari.
But let's first deal with the number 2 of 27.
Ihoya riri riakeriukite thiko nini tu thutha wa Gavana Waititu wikia ihoya ota riu ria gucokerio milioni 15 iria ciarutitwo na handu hoguo akeigithia bodi.
With the numbering of all the items that have been served.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muitiriri wa Wangari.
Yes.
Is it possible we just take the dates and go?
Yes, we can take the dates and go.